Hello everyone. In this masterclass, I will tell you three important short tricks to solve the circular restrict questions. Whether you to find out the time whenever the runner meet, or you to find out the distinct number of points where they meet. Okay. So let's start with the short trick formulas when we have to apply and how to apply. So our first important trick is if two runners are running on the circular track, so at what time they will meet anywhere on the first time. Okay, anywhere. So if they are running on the same direction, then to find out the time is nothing but length of the track upon the speed difference v1 minus v2. If the direction is same, then we have to subtract the speeds. If they are running on the opposite direction, and we have to find out the time, at what time they will meet anywhere on the track. So total length of the track upon addition of the speed in the case of opposite direction. The second important short trick is meet at the starting point. Okay, the first was when they are meeting on anywhere on the first time, and the second short trick is the meeting at the starting point. At what time they will meet at the starting point. So in this case, we have to find out first of all time for both the runners, or how many runners are there. Three is there. Then you have to find out the time for all the three runners. So find out the time, you have to just divide length of the track upon the speed of the runner. For the second runner, length of the track upon speed of the second runner. So you have to find out the time first of all, and you have to take the LCM. So you will get the time at what time they will meet at the starting point. And our third short trick formula is to find out number of distinct points they will meet. So to find out that number of distinct point, you have to just simply take the ratio of their speeds and write down in the ratio m is to n. So if they are running in the same direction, then you have to subtract that m n. So whatever subtraction value you will get, that is a number of distinct point they will meet. If the direction is opposite, in that case we have to add that the value m and n. Let's start with the question. So our question number one, first meeting anywhere. Okay. Let's say we have to find out two runners A and B run around the circular track of the length 400 meters. So length of the track is given 400 with the speed of 10 meter per second and 4 meter per second. So V1 is, let's say, 10 meter, V2 is 4 meter, respectively in the same direction. Okay, so here the important thing is direction is same. So when they will meet for the first time anywhere on the track. So this word is important here, anywhere. So that means our formula is very simple to find out the time, length of the track, which is 400, and the direction is same direction, so we have to subtract the speed. So 10 minus 4, which is 6. So if we cancel out 200 by 2 3 is 6, so upon 3. So the answer is 200 by 3 second. After this time, they will meet anywhere on the track first time. Look at the next one, meeting at start. So at what time they will meet at the starting point. So to find out the first meeting at the starting point, let's here three runners are there start running simultaneously around a circular track of length 1200. So length of the track is given 1200, and the speeds of all the three runners are given 2 meter, 4 meter, and 6 meter. And we have to find out when will they meet at the starting point for the first time. Okay, so now the question is when they will meet on the starting point. So in that case, first of all, we have to find out the uh, particular time of the runner A, runner B, and runner C. So how to find the time? Individual length of the track is 1200 upon speed of the first runner is 2. So 1200 by 2, which is 600 second. For the second runner, 1200 by speed of that second runner, which is 4. So 4 3s are 12, so 300 second. And for the third runner, 1200 by speed, which is 6. So 6 2s are 12, so 200 second. After finding the individual time, we will take the LCM. So LCM of 600, 300, and 200. Okay. So here the biggest number is 600, and 200 and 300 both the number divide 600. That means our LCM is 600. If you don't know how to find the LCM with the short trick method, you can watch the video. So the LCM is 600. So our time is when they will meet first time at the starting point is 600 seconds. Look at the next question. The next question is on to find out the distinct points. Let's say two person X and Y are run around circular track of 600 meter. So length of the track is given 600 and the direction is opposite. They are running in opposite direction with the speed of 15 meter per second and 25 meter per second. So to find out the number of distinct point, we don't require length track. Just look at the speed. We have to take the ratio. So 15 by 25, which is nothing but 5 3s are 15 and 5 5s are 25. So ratio is 3 by 5. Now look at the direction. In which direction they are running? Opposite direction. So in case of opposite direction, we have to add these numbers, ratio number. So 3 plus 5, which is equal to 8. So at 8 distinct points they will meet. So answer is B. Next one, time to meet anywhere. Okay, the same type that we have done first one. Let's say two cars P and Q start from the same point on a circular track of length 500 meter. So length of the track is 500 meter. Moving in opposite direction. Okay, now the direction is changed here. Opposite direction is given with a speed of 15 and 10. So in case of opposite direction, we have to add the speed. So 15 plus 10, which is 25. And what we have to find out, when will they meet for the first time anywhere on the track. Okay, so to find the anywhere on the track time, formula is very simple. Total length of the track, which is 500, and speed. So in case of opposite direction, we are adding the speed, so 25. So 25 to the 50 and 1 0 is remaining. So our time is 20 seconds. The last question, number of distinct points again. Two cyclists P and Q run on a circular track of length 300 meter in the same direction with the speed of 15 meter per second and 10 meter per second. Find the number of distinct points where they will meet. So to find out the number of distinct points, we have to just focus on the speeds. So the speed of the first cyclist is 15 upon speed of the second cyclist is 10. So find out the ratio. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. So ratio is 3:2. Now check the direction. So direction is same. So in case of same direction, we have to subtract the ratio. So 3 minus 2, which is 1. So at only one point they will meet. Okay. So this is all about the circular track time. This is a practice question for you. Find out the answer by using about trick and comment your answer in the comment section. Thank you.